11 iPhone camera features. Feature 1. Default photo mode. Open camera. Feature 2. Square photo mode. Open camera and swipe once to right. Feature 3. Panorama or pano camera mode. Open camera and swipe twice to right. Feature 4. Video mode. Open camera and swipe once to left from default photo mode. Feature 5. Slow motion video mode. Open camera and swipe twice to left from default photo mode. Feature 6. Time-lapse video mode. Open camera and swipe thrice to left from default photo mode. Feature 7. Filter mode. Click the 3 dots button in default or square photo mode to select the photo filter. Feature 8. Timer mode. Click the timer button in default or square photo mode to select the timer to click a photo. Feature 9. Live mode. Click the live button in default photo mode to click a live photo. Feature 10. HDR mode. Click the HDR button in default or square photo mode to click a HDR photo. Feature 11. Flash mode. Click the flash button to click a photo with flash. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.